I am SAP Finance and Controlling Certified Consultant, having 12 plus years of experience as in consultant and working as so many companies in various country locations, which working as finance and controlling, financial supply chain management, sales and distribution, material management, risk management, business planning and consolidation. Now I am working in Simple Finance, which is released in the year of March 15, 2015 as HANA base. Now I am working as a version of 3. As of my qualification, I am a qualified chartered accountant and MBA Information Technology Consultant. Now I am working as Assistant Product Manager in a Level 5 company. Now, Simple Finance demonstration. Here we cover list of topics, architecture, system demonstration, project POC and study material. Let me see one by one. First of all, SAP Fusion. It's platform independent. So, we won't depend on any other application or any other platform. So, like, no need to write any programming application as functionality. So, no need to learn Java, Oracle, .NET. Because SAP maintains an independent platform. Our technology is ABAP technology. Now, database independent. In before, our database is Oracle database, Vora Arch application. Whenever SAP release HANA application, now our database is HANA database only. Language independent. Already in SAP 92 languages are predefined. If we want, we can create our own language too. Graphic user interface. Basically, SAP is a server technology. Right. If we want to add or edit or delete any data, we need some username and password application. Nothing but graphic user interface application. Currency independent. Already 152 currencies are predefined in SAP. If you want, we can create our own currency standards too. Client server technology independent. Nowadays, it plays a major role. The protocol transfer from ECC to Simple Finance HANA application, like Simple Finance to Mobility, Simple Finance to Fiori, Simple Finance to UFI condition tools, which we run in using with client server technology independent platforms. Now, in ECC architecture, maintain plays a role like R2 to R3 architecture based on migration, like many to many architectures, many servers, many users works at a time. Right? Here, many servers means enterprise central components, CRM customer relationship management, SCM supply chain management, and so on. Based on EDI electronic data interchange application and ALE server technologies. Now we are using either cloud or hybrid technology. In before, we are using on-premise technology. On-premise, which explains traditional licensing with customer control of deployment and maintenance, in-floor maintenance system. And the next technology is cloud technology. Here, we are subscription of licensing with deployment in private cloud and maintained by SAP. Here, whenever we save the data saves in client location only. But we take off remote system and we will work on based on GUI condition controls. Now, the HANA version which we run in hybrid system. The combination of on-premise and cloud capabilities to meet specific modular needs. So, whenever we specify the system based on the client required or needed parameters based on the client guidance, we will design the structure. If client needs on-premise application, we will design as on-premise or cloud architecture based on the client specific parameters. But as of Fiori and Mobility, which purely depend on hybrid system only. So let's see the old system and new system, nothing but Oracle based and HANA based. In Oracle architecture base, we are analyzing finance documents, total and index tables like accounting, again controlling documents, total and index tables in accounting. Here we are processing for finance base, analyzing in controlling document base. Here, the pros like data redundancy, effort involved in reconciliation, little flexibility. Now, we are using Simple Finance 3.0 version. So, as of process point of view, at a time, we will design controlling to financial documentation like view for total tables and index tables in accounting system base. At the same time, we will processing and analyzing. So in this phase, what are the pros? Like high data through outputs, less reconciliation, greater flexibility, reduced data volume, better performance. Right, see, let's see one by one. High data through outputs. See, in before, FI consultant is different, CO consultant is different. Again, SD consultant is different, MM consultant is different. But in Simple Finance, we have only 4 consultants. As functional, as technical, as networking, as database. We have only 4 departments are there. As a FI consultant or functional consultant, he mandatorily know where we start and where we end the exact life cycle management system. Right. Next, less reconciliation. If we know the exact flow of activity, in before as reconciliation, once we check it up, controlling document base as repost to cost, and again reassessment cycle. But here at a time we will design the structural application. Next, greater flexible. Compared to multiple, in ACC version we are using a little flexible, but here we are using the greater flexible. At a time we will customize both the conditions. Reduce data volume. Like in before, we have to maintain 2-time customization. Once we design the total financial structure, later we design the total control structure. Now, both the things are same streams. Better performance. Compared to little, previous version, this is to get the exact output with a great accuracy. Next, migration to Simple Finance. Here, in classic GL, the starter version of SAP, in ECC6 we are using new GL, right? Like ledgers and document types, document splitting, and so on. So the old data which will migrate to the new GL data. Next, financial reporting and advanced analysis. See here, in ECC point of view, we have 2-level conditions as enterprise structures, as industrial structures. So industrial structures which we design for oil and gas applications like joint venture, co-venture management system, and so on. But as enterprise structure based, we design as manufacturing or services oriented company. Here, Simple Finance is the common tool which we design as common application along with industrial solution platforms too. Now, here in S4 HANA, solution scope, implementation, business scenario, and business benefits. In Simple Finance, we are using universal journal. In ECC point of view, we design new GL like ledgers, leading ledger, non-leading ledger, repetitive ledger. But here there is no ledger scenario. Here we are designing universal journal and business volumes, financial reporting and analysis simplified. Now, review scenarios, right? Deployment of solutions and simplifying, accelerating financial reporting and analysis. Watch our live demo, learn streams of the real-time scenarios. Now, let me see one by one. So, these are the SAP S4 HANA as sector management system, like public sector, energy, oil and gas, retail CPG, utilities, manufacturing, and federal. Now, Sierra strategic focus. So, this is the company as analysis for S4. So, which explains business planning and consolidation, business planning objects, strategic management, risk and compatibility, business warehouse, master data management system. Here, we are integrated to big data because the total data which we sell in HANA system, right? As big data analysis point of view, we are analyzing planning and forecasting, financial flows, predictive analysis, advanced analysis, data discovery, interactive analysis, self-servicing and ad hoc queries, dashboard and data visualization, scenario analysis, business insights, enterprise reporting, management reporting, and operational insights. In big data management point of view, data governance, quality, management, portfolio, enrichment, integration, mapping and transformation. So these are all the analysis tools. Now, as of Big Data to HANA platform practices, here readily deploying solutions as financial based and closing cockpit based on planning and forecasting at CFO office level and for individual activity point of view. Now, HANA defined based on user experience Fiori, application HANA application extended simple finance 2.0. Now we are using 3.0. In memory data HANA platform, infrastructure cloud or on-premise. Either cloud also we will design or on-premise also we will design based on big data attribute condition. Now HANA solution scope: SAP HANA runtime, accounting solution, BA solution, financial solution. So these were the major key roles in HANA point of view. Now implementation scenario. See, these are all the business challenges as client needed parameters, business scenarios as needed coverage parameters as general, and business process as lifecycle management system like purchase lifecycle, sales lifecycle, capital lifecycle, capital recruitment lifecycle, human resource lifecycle, and so on. And as solution point of view, see, let me learn the before structure and after structure. In ERP financials point of view, we will maintain the tables BKPF, BSEZ, BSIS, BSIK, BS80, LFC1, GL totals, COBX, COEP, COSP. Now, in simple finance point of view, we are dedicating as BKPF and BSEZ. These two are key primary or key master tables in HANA. Now, as for business benefits, in border version, we are designing the structure like this. In HANA platform, which we design the structure, here we will maintain an independent structure as individual company wise. Now, single platform for OLAP and OLTP applications, online analytical processing, online transaction processing. I will show in server application. Now, HANA business benefits. In before we see the business benefits. So, what are the business benefits we have? Data model is very easy to simplify. Print is reduced drastically. OLTP and OLAP in single system. Rich user experience through Fiori. Instant access any financial insight or any devices. Always reconcile the process for real-time financial data analysis. Decision making using prediction and simulation always on the fly. Easy deployment options, cloud, on-premise or hybrid deployment options. Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, can you go back to the
Can you please speak louder?
Before that? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, Kishma. My name is Vijay. And,
Okay.
Can you go back to the 2 slides back?
Right.
Yeah. Can you explain something? I'm not sure about because I could not visible properly this one.
No, the structure which we designed like that only. In application point of view, I will show this application. See here, the overview of this presentation is in ETC point of view. Once we design the structure, the flow which explains credit control area. Based on credit control area, we will maintain budgeting control. After that, commitment item, commitment schedule, plan value, actual value. Based on that, we will start the lifecycle management solution. Right? The structure flow diagram like this. But here, we will design the structure as independent. Like, as of GL point of view, accounts receivable, payable, asset accounting. This is the key role. Under that, under GL, how many subsidiary companies again we will maintain. And as based on condition controls, as condition controls are 2 levels, as cross company code based, as panel currency based. So the visualization, the screenshot like this only. It's not but clear. So easy deployment options, cloud, on-premise, and hybrid deployment options. Based on the client needed parameter, we design this structure. Now, simple finance defined. So, as four conditions: finance, controlling, close, and plan now. So, as finance point of view, we will design new general ledger accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, new asset accounting, cash management, treasury and risk management, cost center accounting, profit center accounting, profitability analysis, product cost planning, and material ledger, internal order accounting, financial close and reconciliation accounts, integrated planning. So, based on the finance and controlling which we design under Universal General, Unified Single Document Base. Simple finance. Here, financial insights based on Universal General, based on the transactional name. Now, general. See, Universal General is a structure of a single source structure for both finance and controlling module business transaction posting, and components used for data for same journal entries, and the table, item table of all dimensions for finance, controlling, asset accounting, and material ledger. The key features of Universal General. GL accounting.
Hello.
Yes.
So can you tell me what is Universal Journal?
See, before in ACC point of view, we are designing that ledgers. Like we have three types of ledgers: leading ledger, non-leading ledger, repeat ledger. Right? But here in simple finance point of view, there is no ledger scenario. Instead of ledger, we design Universal General. As Universal General point of view, we design the total company ledger stream application.
So there is no 0L and non-leading ledger needs to be defined.
It's there, but based on general conditions. But no need to specify the individual conditions. I will show one console. I will show. So as GL accounting, thereby uniformly by maintenance, currency fields. Here the total tables which we designed based on ACDOCA. ACDOCA. This is the table name. Right. Here, as Universal General, which includes General Ledger Accounting, FIGL, Asset Accounting, next, Controlling, Exception, Cost-Based Profitability Analysis, Material Ledger, Controlling PC, ACT. So, but the total accepting tables are in ACDOCA, consequent tables. Now, here, in before, we will maintain so many tables are there. Now, the new table is ACDOCA Universal General, which includes all these things, all the tables. Next, here, before Universal General, after Universal General. Before, we will maintain as individual table wise we will maintain. After designing Universal General, all tables which are included in one table. The table, the standard table is ACDOCA. This is the table name. Next, business volume. Before simple finance, as accounting, legal, and management, data aggregation. Here, accounting, legal, managerial, appropriates, and statistical. Now, before FI or controlling profitability analysis. In Universal General, FI and controlling and COPA. So there is no option parameter here. Next, as reporting analysis, here let me see all the reporting integrity applications. Like, see first, pre-packaged solution packages like data module, master data set, simple and flexible, data analysis and reporting, deep insight, data visualization, and solution empowerment, productive analysis, forecasting, trends, and data discovery. As these are the various conditions which you use. So in real time, ABAP will design these applications. And our solution platform as accounting, entity, time and currency, transaction type, trending partner, value type, and version. So before company code SKB1, chart of accounts SK1. So these are the field name and field properties. Right? In Universal Journal, the total field structures are in this table. Now let me check it out the condition controls. So like what are the reports which we design? Gross profit, gross margin, primary cost element, cost of sales analysis, gross margin percentage, daily net gallon, gross profit per net gallon, gross margin. Like see in real time what are the reports which we generate? Generally we will generate profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, trial balance and gross profit. But here as HANA point of view, generally we will generate profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, trial balance, broad gross margin. But along with this, we will generate predictive analysis, trend analysis, data visualization, interactive analysis, data discovery, and variance analysis. Like profit and loss account analysis and gross profit by monthly analysis and segment based. Like so various step of analysis, and whenever we customize the data which we design the structure. Now let me see the server page. So the initial transaction code is SPRO. Here, financial accounting new, global setting new, ledgers. See here, in before version, it shows define currencies of leading ledgers, define and activate non-leading ledgers, right? Define ledgers for general ledger accounting. But here, define settings for journal entry ledger, nothing but universal ledger. Deactivate ledger for company code, activate cost of sales accounting, define ledger group. These two are the old field applications. Here instead of the leading, non-leading and repetitive, they design this define setting for journal entry ledger, nothing but universal journal base. And so the principal condition as accounts payable, accounts receivable. Here they mention the catalogs and all, everything. And again which integrates to Fiori. So here cost management as employee base, so buyer, global cash manager, financial analysis, so here there is step of reporting conditions. So these are all the various type of reporting condition sources. Right. Now, so the new batch will start off Wednesday 8 p.m. EST. So we will provide the server access like ECC 7, EHP 2 and Simple Finance version 3. Next. So every month second Sunday we will conduct one doubts clarification session for the course, like in between the course we will take sessions for 2 to 3 times for doubts clarifications, and for supporting steps 24/7 all people will work on for your server point of view. After training we will provide to help you on resume preparation or marketing your resume. Right, the course details and course content please contact training@adroiterp.com and the Indian mobile number. Clear? Any questions please?
Hello?
Please be louder.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. What is the duration of the period course?
So for that the HR he will guide you all these things and all.
Because it's the course content, everything from there on.
Yeah, he will provide to you that structural condition each and every.
And can you let me know about the COPA? And I hear that there is a no secondary cost element.
Sorry, come again.
I hear that there is a no secondary cost element in the Simple Finance.
No, see, basically we use the term Simple Finance. Here we customize 70% of controlling, 30% of financial application. So that only in my diagram I mentioned clearly, I highlighted the application. See, controlling. We start from controlling and switch finance. Before we start from finance and controlling. Now it's a vice versa. And they clearly mention in before finance or controlling profitability analysis. Now finance and controlling profitability analysis. There is no choose parameter option over here.
So okay, that's fine. My point is that there is assessment and distribution we do for internal settlement.
Yes.
But the purpose of assessment and distribution is for the secondary cost element. If we are doing directly for the universal ledger, how would the impact of the assessment and distribution?
So here as assessment cycle, two conditions are there. As sender point of view, cost center and cost element is there, but as receiver point of view, only cost center is there or WBS element is there. Clear?
Okay.
But here majorly we concentrating on cost centers. Cost centers are there in controlling point of view. The initial structure is cost center only.
Okay.
Here we transfer cost center cost center to receiver cost center as assessment, not for element to center.
So when we are doing WBS element to cost center, we can do, right?
So as center point of view, there is no WBS element, right? As center point of view, you have only two conditions: one for cost center, one for element, cost element. But as receiver point of view, there is no element, cost center and WBS and order is there.
Okay, right, fine. So that's fine. The COPA is for COPA prospect of view, there is only account based only, no cost based, right? The implications in the Simple Finance.
But material ledger is there, right?
Yeah, material ledger is there. So
But see, the thing is, as integrity application point of view, major two conditions are there.
Okay.
Internal order based assessment evaluation, one condition. Product evaluation, cost budgeting control, cost analysis methods. So based on this condition, we will design accounting based controlling profitability analysis and material ledger based controlling cost analysis. These are integrity applications. Those are not independent scenarios. As standard point of view, it is individually, but as a practical point of view, these are integrity applications. So So for one concept and another concept.
This
You
one?
are FA consultant, right? Or CO?
Sorry.
So may I know you are FA consultant or CO consultant?
FS or both?
Both. Okay, good. I think you have an idea, right? Material ledger.
Yeah, it's fine. So another thing I need to check with you, the simple finance is 2.0 now. If 3.0 is came also.
Yes, in December 1st, 2015 on, we are using in production point of view, we are using 3.0.
Actually, certification point of view, I'm checking for the certification.
Only for 2.0.
2.0, right? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
From next May onwards, they are releasing 3.0 certification.
Next May. Okay.
Yes. I mean, May 2016.
Thanks.
Yeah, right. Any more questions, please?
This SAP Cash Management with the content say that what exactly it is, I mean, in simple finance terminology.
See, for example, as ECC point of view, we never discuss about share capital management system, right? Like we never discuss about share, debentures and secured loans point of view. Before, because we have a separate module, share capital management system module is there, or treasury consultants, they will take care of the structure. But in simple finance, as simple finance consultant only will take care of those conditions which we design under cash management, liquidity ratio, cash flow analysis management system. So here we learn the total life cycle management. So where we start and where we end up, company structure. So
You mean
simply nothing but company life cycle management.
a part of treasury has been moved to simple finance now?
Not a part, almost 60%. Not a part, mostly 60%. Because share capital management is a ocean. It's not a small issue to handle. Like equals to finance, right? So the total data in simple finance as a consultant only will design. Here the term is simple finance. That's
Okay.
So, Vishwa,
yes.
yeah, actually, I want to check this. The point is, we have some migration steps will be there, actually showing that some migration steps for the simple finance perspective view. So, we need to do any major changes in the configuration. We need to do only migration steps only, irrespective of a normal configuration.
No, the thing is, as of normal configuration point of view also, in between some changes are there, almost 30 to 40% difference is there. The base customization point of view also. And here two levels are there, migration. So, as the client point of view, if we start off directly simple finance implementation, the same migrations we use, like LSMW and BDC we use. ECC to, Oracle database to HANA migration, here two conditions will apply. As simple finance consultant, a part will go, and again, HANA consultant, a part will go. Because here we are designing the data modeling.
Yeah, data modeling will be there for the normal ECC to simple finance.
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
See, for GL point of view, at a time we will upload 27 fields and all. Right? So, but there is no individual scenario like individual GL creation here, or individual customer creation, like FD01, FK01, FS01, AS01. Those conditions are not working. If you want to upload the master data, using with migration only in simple finance. That's
So majorly changing is the asset accounting and COPA only.
yes. Asset accounting, COPA, cash and liquidity management. Cash and liquidity management, joint venture management system. He majorly concentrated on this scenario.
So actually I hear that there is some logistics will be launched for the simple logistics also.
So that is for SCM people. Who the people are working in supply chain management. For those in HANA logistics.
Yeah.
For finance and controlling point of view, we design simple finance. Because as the SAP motto is, for December 2020, we mandatorily enhance Oracle to SAP HANA. That is the deadline.
Actually, I hear that it's 2025, I think so.
No, he strictly mentioned for 2020, and the grace period is 2 years. The maximum end is 2022.
Customer need to think about this.
But for conversion free of cost, right? Most of the people they are ready to do. So there is an extra charge for this conversion amount.
If it is EHP 7 is fine, EHP like 5, 6 is okay. But coming to the previous versions, like old versions, some of the persons are using like ECC 4.6 or something else.
No, the thing is in ACC it's not a user friendly. If you know, then only you will work it out. But this is user friendly.
Yes, but some of the apps I check also. Yeah, no cloud. Fine. Very user friendly. We can post the interest using the Fiori.
So, as consultant point of view, that is strict risk and all. But as user point of view, it's like a mobile app.
Yeah, use it mobile also. Enter mobile.
Yes.
Yeah.
For that, they design one module, SAP Mobility. Only for financial HR conditions, they design Fiori.
So,
like SAP HR, yes.
Yeah, I think so. They have integrated some of the features of the BPC in the Simple Finance.
Yes, but for BPC, that a programming is required. Tool management structure organization, one program is there. So for we design the tool management program is required.
It will be covered in the course.
I will cover. A part is I will cover. But
Okay.
for the people means that ABAP people who are working in the general ECC ABAP, he will work on those conditions and all. Like in finance point of view, we design functional, technical, networking database. In Simple Finance also functional, technical, networking database.
Yeah.
That's. But I will cover a part of the conditions. What all the things which are related to Simple Finance as functionality.
Thanks, Shiva.
Right. Any more questions, please? Any more questions, please? Yes, Vijay.
So that's it my side.
Yeah, right. Right. Okay. Right. Thank you, guys. Thank you for attending the demo. Right. For further queries, contact adroit@itrp.com. Clear? Thank you.